Now we're going to talk about the North West's biggest environmental project next, which reached a major milestone today, the planting of its 10 millionth tree. I don't know who's counted them all, but someone's obviously had the job. The Mersey Forest Initiative began in 1991 with the ambition of creating woodlands around the urban fringes of towns and cities in Cheshire and Merseyside. And it seems it has been a real success, as Andy Gill now reports.
And then you just wiggle them down like this.
Planting trees for the Mersey Forest at Lunt, just north of Liverpool. Teams from the National Trust, wildlife groups and local councils pitching in. Since 1991, the Mersey Forest has planted 4 trees for every person in Merseyside and Cheshire. Today at Lunt, its 10 millionth tree went into the ground.
People need accessible spaces. They don't just need formal city parks. They need spaces where they can ramble, where they can picnic, where the children can play, where they can walk their dogs. That's what we need. So woodlands are perfect for that.
Work started here back in the winter. The National Trust bought the land from Sefton Council to help create a new natural resource for local people by connecting existing areas of woodland and wetland. The government-funded Mersey Forest project helped pay for the new trees.
Lunt and the land that we've acquired here is perfectly positioned to help connect and improve habitats for wildlife and birds all through this area, which you might be able to hear singing now, and for communities to come and get some green space, come and enjoy some nature in the future.
This is the newest bit of the Mersey Forest, but one of the key things about it is that it's not just in one place. There are parts of the Mersey Forest all over Merseyside and Cheshire.
Among the volunteers today, a scientist who worked on the Mersey Forest in its early days.
My project was to plant 100,000 trees back in 1998 on 11 closed landfill sites to restore them.
So what does today mean to you?
It's brilliant to see how much Mersey Forest has grown.
The local Wildlife Trust has plans for a forest school here to teach local children about the natural environment.
We know that nature thrives best when you've got really big spaces. It means more food, more breeding, more little kind of niche habitats. So for a number of species, it'll be really, really helpful to have the two working side by side.
The new trees include willow, hawthorn and birch, depending on the ground conditions. In the long run, they hope this part of the Mersey Forest will attract rare red squirrels. Andy Gill, BBC North West Tonight, Lunt.